Hi, my name is Maílis and I'm here to present my poster entitled Small Mammal Species Monitoring, a comparison between live trapping and air tubes. As many of you know, small mammals as moles, rodents and shrews are excellent indicators of ecosystem status. This is due to their ecological roles such as predation of arthropods, seed dispersal and prey for carnivores and birds of prey. The monitorization of those animals are mainly based on live trapping, in which the animals are captured and directly identified. However, the air tubes technique is less invasive since it collects small mammals' hairs for further identification, not involving the manipulation of those animals. In this context, the aim of this work is to compare the two techniques for monitoring small mammals population, the live trapping and the air tubes. In live trapping technique, we set the live traps such as Sherman traps, wood traps or mole traps, check them regularly and manipulate the animals for identification. In air tubes technique, the tubes are open in both sides and have double tape in the top, in which the animals let a small amount of air stick when passed by them. They can stay in the field for a week and not checked until then. After that, the double tapes are collected and stored for further microscopic air identification. As you can see, this is a less invasive technique since it does not imply the manipulation of the animals. This study was performed in Sintra, Portugal in 4 different types of habitats. With the live traps, we identified 6 different species: the greater white-toothed shrew, the Iberian shrew with the category vulnerable as a conservation status in Portugal, the Spanish mole, the wood mouse, the Algerian mouse and the Lusitanian pine vole. With the air tubes, in addition to the 6 live trapped species, we identified 4 more species: the European hedgehog, the garden dormouse, the brown rat or the black rat, since it is difficult to distinguish the hair of those 2 species, and the red squirrel. We concluded that with air tubes it is possible to do a wider sampling of small mammals community. Additionally, since the air tubes technique is less invasive and minimizes the stress of animals as well as the habitat disturbance, it is more adequate to study endangered species. Thank you for your attention and don't hesitate to send me an email if you want to know more. Bye!